Today, I am reviewing Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Ring Wired Doorbell Pro is one of the most advanced wired video doorbells available today, designed to bring both convenience and peace of mind right to your front door. With a host of cutting-edge features, this device is more than just a doorbell. It's a complete security system upgrade for your home. The first thing you notice is its sleek and modern design. At just under 5 inches tall, it fits beautifully into any home exterior while offering robust functionality. The satin nickel finish gives it a premium look, and it blends seamlessly with modern home aesthetics. Installation is surprisingly straightforward for a wired system. You simply connect it to your existing doorbell wiring using the included toolkit, and within about 15 minutes, your new Ring Doorbell Pro is ready to go. Because it is hardwired, it delivers continuous power without the need to recharge batteries, meaning it's always ready to respond when someone approaches your door. This is a huge convenience, especially compared to battery-powered options. One of the standout features is its exceptional video quality. The Ring Wired Doorbell Pro offers 1536p head-to-toe HD plus video, giving you a crystal-clear view of your doorstep. You get a wide 150-degree field of view both horizontally and vertically, so you can see visitors from head to toe and even keep an eye on packages left on the ground. Night vision is also impressive, delivering sharp, color night video so you never miss a detail, even after dark. Motion detection on this doorbell is next level. The 3D motion detection feature allows you to pinpoint exactly where movement occurs. This technology works with bird's eye view mapping, which gives you an aerial view of detected motion around your home. You can even create custom motion zones so that you only receive alerts for areas you care about. No more unnecessary notifications when a car drives by or leaves blow in the wind. This makes the alerts far more accurate and useful. Another feature that sets this doorbell apart is two-way talk with Audio Plus. This system allows you to speak to visitors clearly, even if there's background noise, and you can do this directly from your smartphone or with compatible Alexa-enabled devices. Speaking of Alexa, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro integrates seamlessly with Alexa, allowing for hands-free announcements and live video feeds on devices such as Echo Show, Fire TV, or Fire Tablet. This makes home monitoring effortless and interactive. The Ring Wired Doorbell Pro also offers a premium feature called Alexa Greetings, which is available with a Ring Protect Plan subscription. This lets you greet visitors even when you aren't home, providing a personalized touch to your home's security. The subscription also enables advanced recording features, letting you store video history for up to 180 days. This is incredibly useful for reviewing past events, checking package deliveries, or investigating a motion alert. Privacy is another strong focus with this device. Ring includes customizable privacy settings so you can control who sees your footage and when. This flexibility ensures your home security works for you without compromising your personal privacy. Durability is a key advantage of the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. Designed to work in a variety of climates, it operates reliably from -5 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and the components are built to withstand outdoor conditions. This durability means you can trust it to keep working year-round, regardless of weather changes. Overall, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro combines premium video quality, advanced motion detection, seamless Alexa integration, and hands-free convenience. Whether you're looking for a smarter way to monitor visitors, enhance home security, or simply check packages without leaving your couch, this doorbell offers a powerful and reliable solution. For those willing to invest in a subscription plan, the added features make it an even more compelling choice. In today's world, where home security matters more than ever, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro delivers a feature-rich, intuitive, and high-performance system that gives you confidence every time someone approaches your door.